Jumpstart Your Weight Loss FAQ Part 1. So many of y'all, hundreds of y'all have already enrolled in our Jumpstart program, and we anticipate thousands, just like the first time, is going to enroll. So 90% of y'all, over 90% of y'all who have enrolled, you have been getting the emails, you've been getting the recipes, you've been getting the videos, and so it's going smoothly. So for those of y'all, the last 10% of y'all who are not getting your email, getting the program, number one, the program is being delivered to your email. You don't have to log in anywhere. Check your email, check your spam box. Your spam box, that's probably where it's located. Number two, it's delivered to your email, so make sure you enrolled with the right email. Make sure you have the correct email. Some of y'all misspelled your email, or some of y'all put the wrong email and you're expecting to get the emails in another email. Only use one email, all right, guys? And number three, the emails will be coming from our email, which is support@divinefarmerhealth.com, support@divinefarmerhealth.com. That's also the email you can email us if you're not getting the programs. Email us, and that's the quickest way we will respond to you. We will go through these messages, but we don't respond to these messages as fast as email. So email us at support@divinefarmerhealth.com. And I'm excited to have all of y'all join. If you missed out the first time, you need to get in ASAP, all right? I'm looking forward to working with you.